Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a trader using MetaTrader in 2025 and you're pulling your hair out over error 4756, you're in the right place. This pesky error often pops up due to connection issues, outdated software, or configuration problems, and it can really disrupt your trading flow. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to get you back up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, start by checking your internet connection. Error 4756 is frequently linked to unstable networks, so ensure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable and fast. Open a web browser and load a few pages to verify. If that's solid, move on to updating your MetaTrader platform. Head to the official MetaTrader website or within the app itself under the Help or About section, and download the latest 2025 version. This could fix compatibility issues right away. Next, double-check your account settings. Log into MetaTrader, go to the Tools menu, and select Options. Make sure your server details are correct. Double-check the server address and your login credentials. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause this error. If that doesn't work, try clearing the cache. Exit MetaTrader completely, then delete the temporary files in your installation folder, usually found in C program files, MetaTrader 5 feet or similar. Restart the application afterward to see if the error persists. If you're still seeing error 4756, it might be worth restarting your computer or even reinstalling MetaTrader from scratch. As a last resort, contact MetaTrader support through their help desk or forums. They're pretty responsive in 2025 and can provide personalized advice. Remember, staying updated with software patches is key to avoiding these issues in the future. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error 4756 for good. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.